You want something around you to change. You want a new job. But you are writing applications and nobody's picking you. You should know that you don't have faith for a job. You have to get down, hear the word continuously about how to get a job. Okay? There's nothing like that written in the Bible, how to get a job. There's nothing like that written in the Bible. But the word of God can translate into letting you know that this is what you need to do to be able to get a job. So you build your faith, then you release your faith. But until that faith is built, your prayer will mean nothing. You can pray and pray and pray and pray. It's called praying amiss. So it's not about prayer meetings. It's about word meetings. Oh, is that true though? If only Christians would just humble themselves and just go to the word of God, a lot of things will be different in their lives. A lot of things. You must hear the word. And I spoke about it. You need to listen to the message. Okay? In Galatians chapter 3 verse 5. Look at Galatians 3 verse 5. Paul said, the one that worketh miracles amongst you. He says, for he therefore that ministereth to you the Spirit and works miracles among you. Does he do it by the works of the law? Doeth he it by the works of the law or by the hearing of faith? It is by the hearing of faith, not by the works of the law, by the hearing of faith. How does faith come to you? Faith comes by hearing, and hearing by the word of God. So as you hear the word of God, faith is brought to you. You are energized with faith, and you can put your faith to work.